Feet together, palms facing forward. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in and deep breathe out. Focus on your breath. Feel how that is going inside, where it is going. Observe your breath. Feel that inside your stomach. Inhale positivity, purity, strength, stamina, flexibility, whatever you want. And exhale all the negativity, whatever you don't want to keep it inside, throw it outside the system. And focus on your breath. Now slowly bring your palms together in Pranamasana. Now inhale and exhale, chant Omkara with me 3 times. Now bring your palms together, rub your palms nicely and create a good amount of heat. And place your palms on your eyes and promise yourself to give your best. With this thought, slowly come out. All are okay? Body is okay? Yes, very good. Now, very slowly, make a distance in between both the legs, hip distance apart. And inhale, both the hands up, lock your palms, outer lock and stretch your body more, and slowly come on your toes. Hold. Come on your toes, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly exhale, drop it down. Now we'll do some balancing exercises. Okay, fold the right leg, fold first, and slowly bring it little back and both the knees together. Yes, both the knees together, body straight. Yes, hold, just hold, getting a good stretch here in the thigh, upper thigh. Just give me thumbs up. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Change. Now fold the left leg. Again both the knees together and pull it little back. Pull it. See how I am pulling. Little bit back. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will get a good stretch here in your upper thigh. 6. Yes. Good. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly relax. Got it? All good? Now again fold the right leg and hold. Hold the feet and with this your right hand hold your knee. But there should be a gap in between your feet and your body. Okay? Hold the feet like a tea tray. Yes. When guests are coming in our home, we are serving tea. So how we are serving? That way. 1, 2. Not this way, no? Correct? 3, 4. Getting good one here. Good stretch. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now change. Change. Yes, very good. Hold, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All good? Now one more balancing exercise. Now fold your right leg and tuck to your left thigh nicely. See, look at me. There is no gap here. And slowly, yes, if you want, you can take the support of wall. Slowly push this knee back. Yeah. Back. Back. Try, try, try. How much ever you can, just try, just try. Try. Take the support. Very good. Now slowly inhale both the hands up and bring namaste. Hold 1, 2, and focus on one point. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come back with the exhalation. Come out. Now change. Fold the left leg and now left feet tuck to your right thigh and push this knee back. Then you can make the balance nicely. And slowly inhale both the hands up. Bring namaste. Hold 1. This is called vrikshasana, tree pose. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then slowly come back, back, back. Now relax your legs, relax, just relax, relax, relax. Now resting down. Now fold the right leg. See? Yes, good. Fold, take it back and drop. Drop. Fold, take it back, drop. 1, this way, correct. 2, 3, very good. 4, good job. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, open your feet first, shoulder distance apart. Right hand up, up, up with the inhalation. And take it back with the exhalation. Okay, we'll go in a flow. Inhale, exhale. Trikonasana, we are not going to hold, just do it in a flow. 1, 2, 5, 6. Give nice stretch to your sides. 7, 8, 9, 10. Go with the breath. Go with the breath. Follow the breathing pattern. Feet hip distance apart. Both the hands out. Thumb inside. Make a fist and both the hands up. Now do Bhastrika. Focus only on exhalation. Only on exhalation. When you are making fist, take it up, and when you are going down, lose the fist. Yes.